You started. You want British or American English?
Which kind do you want?
Which one you want?
Do you want another more?
So we're at Niagara Falls,
We're chilling out at
and
Niagara Falls.
we came here with friends all the way from Potsdam.
It's just anything
This place is actually so beautiful, you know.
So freaking
So we'll be taking like 100 pictures right now. Don't block me with your head. What's this game?
This is a video. Oh my god, where are the other guys?
They don't need to show. It's a girls trip.
Guess trip that guy drove you to.
Yeah, we're driving. My phone. I don't even feel take selfie. So we're at Niagara Falls, and this place is so pretty. Yeah, the US side, that's right. We're not in Canada. Yeah, we're in Niagara Falls. A lot of people are here. Those are our friends taking so many pictures. And yeah, and here is the,
It's not here. We have to go somewhere. It's not here.
the vlogger. What do you have to say, Jane?
So, welcome to my channel. My name is Jane and this is Faith. And today we are at Niagara Falls, USA side. So just come with us.
Yep.
I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago. I've changed for the better this time. I thought I would never be fine. I strive just to say I'm alright, and for the first time in a long time I'm alright. I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago. I'm not falling. I'll push all my chips and call all in. I'll bet on myself, you keep stalling. I hear destiny and it's calling. I'll keep my head up high through the downs and lows, and we're all going life. Still nobody knows, but I'ma choose what's right and take what comes and goes. And ain't no one in life holding me back no more. I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago. Back a year ago. Yeah. Sometimes I get so mad, there's no controlling me. My thoughts get so bad, I'm like, I might grab a bat, I don't know. My wrath, my blood boils over like, oh God, here goes. I lost all feeling from my head to my toes. You said some shit that I can't let go, so just stay tuned for the rest of the show. So have you ever felt betrayed? Switches how you see things, realize something needs change. Cause I know you got me fucked up, let me show you what's up. inside of me, blood so violently, thanks for trying me. Now it's finally time to see how this rivalry becomes a dynasty.